Subscribe mo guys sa channel. Yun vlogger, motovlog. Gusto mo maglaro ko guys, na mag-motovlog ko guys ha. Yun para first. Guys, bakbakan to guys. Okay, kay nagloading guys. Nagloading ako kung guys. Yes guys. What's up guys? Ako pala si Boss Mark Gaming guys. Pangarap ko magiging racing ko guys, motor. Panoorin to guys. Guys, you know, ang kong bagong motor guys, motovlog. Ay ate akong morning Ducati guys. Yote yusa guys no. Racing ta guys. Sa tournament ta. Risky. Tournament ta guys. Una sa taon kuang guys. Dito sa kuang guys. Ano rin to guys? You know, tournament ta guys. Enter. Yes! Wow! Guys racer na to guys! Yate ang kuang guys. Mapaw gatik tuyok. Yala guys. Wow! Break! Go! Break! Well guys, di pa mo klaro itong salang ito guys. Yati Mark vlogger Hala na apas. Sorry boss mag-gaming. Break! Wate. Morning. Pangarap ko may kontra kontra guys. Awa guys Nandito na si Boss Mark Gaming na marunong mag-motor, mag-batting. Hala guys. Marunong pala mag-batting si Boss Mark Gaming guys. Hello. Guys, yaw padagang guys yawag Boss Mark Gaming Break. Hello, ang padagang guys. Yate 200. Naapas ko guys. Naunsa na mangga maning. Hello guys. Great. Okay guys, isuga managan sila guys warning Ducati guys no. Ito na ni guys. Oh guys, okay ra guys. Nakataon ako ni guys. Balalawa uto guys. Ito may yung backing si Bitmart Gaming. LOL. LOL. Laport ako guys. Guys, oh guys. Sulbot. Sulbot. At butagin na. Ay guys. Hulbot. Hulbot na guys. Tournament na ko guys. RY fans. Allah guys. Allah guys. Allah guys. Allah. Agna na buang. Buyote oh. Yawag ng yating kapit-pit-pit ng kontrahan eh. Didi ay lalim mag-resale guys no? Unbacking, pag-backing guys ba? Didi ay lalim mag-resale. Wajit tapas oh. Didi lalim guys no? Masiro. Oh yes, moto vlog. Oh guys oh. Good job guys. Thank you for watching. Yan ang tapos guys. Kung pagkamot